A tree left untouched grows wild, but it bears little fruit. A wise gardener cuts, removes healthy branches, not to harm, but to help. Jesus says, "My Father prunes every branch, so that it may bear more fruit." God's correction is not rejection. His discipline is not anger. It is love shaping us. Sometimes God removes what we cling to, not because it is evil, but because it limits our growth. Trust the pruning. The pain is temporary. The fruit will be lasting.